Guys, it's my favorite time of the month, which is Boxycharm time. I cannot find my unboxing knife to save my life, so I'm going to be using scissors. So this is the Boxycharm for July, and I'm going to open it on up. I have no idea what's in here. If you don't know Boxycharm, it's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items, and the retail value is supposed to be over $100, so you get basically 5 times what you pay for. And I just jumped into this. I'm so excited to open this up. I guess to kind of slow things down a little bit. If you like this look, I have a video coming up very shortly. Actually, today's Friday, so you will see this look on Sunday, so stick tuned for that. Stay tuned. This is what the box looks like, and then I'm just gonna open it up. They have some coupons from Pharmacy Beauty. Oh, Pharmacy Beauty, they do a pretty good eye cream. And then Wander Beauty, so it's 20% off each. This is, who did road tripping? Ipsy just did road tripping. Someone just did road tripping. I'm tripping on the fact that this is the same freaking theme. Okay, so this is Boxycharm road tripping. I think the other one was literally Ipsy road tripping. But I like that the tags are July 2018. That's cute. And then you got some Boxy Babes. All right, so that's kind of what's in there. So we're gonna look at those to find out the prices, but to not spoil anything, I'm just gonna open it up, and I haven't seen what's under this foam yet, so let's check it out with me. What is that? What is this? It's Tarte. I love Tarte. This is the Tarte High Performance, this is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Literally, there's a piece of tape to keep this little thing on it. This is why I always have to take my nail polish off, because opening things. And then I'm gonna open this up. What is this? Shake Well. So it is a setting spray. It says it is worth $25. That's cheaper than the Urban Decay All Nighter one. Pretty good price actually for Sephora. This is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist. I already said that 8 times. Give your skin the glow it deserves with the antioxidant-packed cucumber, fruit, and plant extract skin tonic. I love cucumber in my mouth, on my face. Cucumber's delicious and hydrating. The non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. I do know. I love lit from within. Refresh dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin throughout the day, or use after your skincare routine to balance, tone, and boost your complexion. Cool. So I can't use this over my makeup. I wasn't gonna do it. Let's see what the mist looks like. This is so exciting. Oh, you know how it has the Boxy Babes on here? It has these are their favorites. This is Cecily's fave. Cool. Let's go ahead and see the mist. Mist roulette. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of did it. It landed in my mouth, and it tasted like chemical cucumbers. The mist was okay on it, right? Can you even see that? Oh, I went into the mist while talking. The mist is nice, but then if you look at the box, it's shot out some water bullets. So for most part, the mist was nice, but then there's some water bullets. So that's really exciting. I love Tarte, and I'm more into more setting sprays than prepping mists or hydrating mists. But since it says, I have to sneeze. Allergies. Since it says that you can use it after your skincare for toning, that's great. I just bought a toner, but I'm gonna have my skincare routine up soon. I just need to reorder my sunscreen because I left it on my mom's house. So I need to order more sunscreen. Next in here, just grabbing in, I feel a box. This is the Note Desert Rose Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I don't know the brand Note. I think I've seen it before, but I've never used it. See, Sephora Play needs to learn from this. Take note. This is how big the box is. This is how big the product is. If you didn't see last month's disappointment of a box, check it out. Okay, so this doesn't feel the best. That's fine. Let's find out how much it was. So maybe it's allowed to not feel the best. It's $11.99. This feels like $11.99. This is okay. We're okay. No hate. This is the Note Blush in the shade. What was the shade? Oh, I did not expect it to be elevated. That's interesting. Feels pretty powdery, but it swatches so pigmented. Whoa, I did not expect that. That's intense. It looks a little bit powdery. I'm down for that. That was cool. I like this. It's like right up my alley with the tone that I like. It's not that close actually, but it's definitely a little bit more like a pinky peach, and I like more like a nudie peach, but I think I'd like this. I'm hoping it's not this pigmented on my cheek though, because it'll look like I got slapped in the face. Giving that a little home. Okay, next thing in here, I am pretty excited to see this brand again. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. That's pretty great. I just really like getting Dr. Brandt in these Boxycharm boxes. This is already the second product, I think, from Dr. Brandt. It's just really good skincare brand. This is Valentina's fave. Okay, Valentina. This retails for $42. And it's to depuff your eye bag, and I think that's really cool. I wonder how it wears under makeup. It says after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup, perfect. Hopefully it's good under makeup, but it does say for best results, let dry in between applications, reapply as needed. Reapply, oh, not over makeup, right? No, use alone or under makeup. That's cool. I always like depuffing things, but I always feel like chemical depuffers don't really work. Like I usually have those, I have those like gel cucumber things that you throw in the freezer and then you put on your eyes, but I don't use them all that much. Mostly on days when I like really didn't get sleep and they're really puffy, so I'll use them. So I wonder if this will be good to add to like my skincare routine, or like right before makeup. I'm like sad because there's only 2 more things in the box and I don't want this to end, but I'm gonna dig in. This is Wander Beauty. That makes sense now. What was the other one from? Pharmacy. So are we gonna get something from Pharmacy? This is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Tell me this doesn't look like a lipstick. A shade that I would really like actually. This is, again, the mascara. I wonder how it'll be, because I like waterproof mascaras. The wand's one of those like curved wands. It doesn't look like there's too much product on here, so it makes me think it's kind of dry formula. So I might actually really like this. If it's not waterproof, I need it to be a dry formula so that I can hold up my curl, but I also need it to not flake and smudge. So my eyes are like very special with mascara. It needs a lot of help. I don't know why it was so difficult to say help. Help. Last thing in here is very dirty. I think it's like the foam stuff was on here. This is, what is this? Did I tell you how much that retailed for? $24? Yeah, okay. What is this? Cella Beauty. There's nothing Pharmacy in here. That's interesting. This is the Cella Beauty eyebrow cream. What the? How is this an eyebrow cream? Do they mean like an eyebrow gel? Why does it look like it's gonna be a mascara thing, like a little wand? But it says taupe. I'm opening it. Oh my god, I love taupe eyebrows. Like my eyebrows, I always like to be a very cool shade or taupey shade. Yes, taupe, yes. Okay, so this unscrewed and the product is in here. Why would they have such a small opening? I guess that means less oxygen to dry it out, but that's so interesting. And what's this? A very thick brush. Not too thick, but decently thick. So do I just, I feel like I have no room to like actually swipe because this opening is so small. How am I supposed to swipe to pick up any product? Do I just dip? Dipping did nothing. Can you see that line? This is going well. Okay, if I can't swipe it and dipping it doesn't work, do I just jiggle it back and forth? Third attempt. First attempt. second attempt, third attempt. How am I supposed to freaking use this thing? Okay, I do like the shade. It's a pretty cool brown. Can you see it there? This is very interesting packaging though. How much does this cost? $26. This is Debbie's fave. Debbie, I need you to show me how this works, because I think I'm using it completely wrong, even though I'm not really using it. I think my idea of it is completely wrong. Shall we do a recap? There were 5 items. Let's go from most excited to lesser excited. The first one, the Tarte Ready Set Radiant. Crazy excited Tarte. Luminous glow from within. Toning, yes, I love that. Dr. Brandt, I almost automatically love. I just really like the brand. I'm a big supporter of Dr. Brandt. Also, I do have like puffiness under here, so I'm really excited to try this out. I wonder if it's actually going to work. I wanted to try those like sticks. I think like Elf has one, Physicians Formula has one that's like a depuffing stick, but I don't feel like those will work. So now that I have this one and it's from Dr. Brandt, I'm gonna try it out. But this is like, I don't know why I made that comparison. They're completely different products. After that would definitely be the Note Blush. In fact, I already gave it a little home. This I'm pretty excited about. It's pretty pigmented and blends out well, and I just like the color family that it's in. I like a peachiness. It is a little bit brighter peach than I would like. You saw I like a very nudie, like dull kind of a blush. But it looks like it's gonna work well, so I'm excited for that. A little bit less excited. I think I'm like, no, I'm not equally less excited. I'm more excited for the mascara, the Wander Beauty Unlashed Mascara. Again, I'm just scared because my eyelashes touch my lower, touch the skin down here, so it'll smudge, it'll flake, it'll be messy, especially if it's not waterproof. And then if it's not dry enough, it won't hold a curl, so I'm hoping it works out well. And then the last one, I'm still excited to try it because I like the color of it, but I'm not too thrilled about the packaging. This is the eyebrow one, so the Cella eyebrow one. Alright, so that's what I got in the box. Let's go ahead and figure out how much everything was. Dr. Brandt was $42, Tarte was $25, Wander Beauty was $24, Notes was $11.99, and then the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream was $26. Okay, this box totaled to be $128.99. It's one of the lower priced boxes that we've gotten recently. I think like 1 month we got like $174, but I think that box disappointed me. I don't remember. If you want to check it out, it's up here. That's what I got in my box. That's what I'm excited to try out. From most excited to least excited. And then if you want to check out more of my videos, just go ahead and click right there. If you want to subscribe, click up there. Other than that, I have nothing else to say other than thank you for watching, and I hope I see you next time.